big differentiator here, aside from the products being the right fit for the application, is also our partnership. And there's a few different stages to that. So in the design phase, we offer a design consultation service. So what that is that your sales rep will coordinate a call with a member of our field solutions team. Our field solutions team are experts. These are the guys that are out in the field, that are out installing these systems. They're very familiar. They've all been with ViewSonic for a very long time. They'll get on the phone with you, and if you want, your customer as well, and go over the space. What are you looking to do with the space? They'll go into a lot of the gotchas as well. Hey, what is the structure it's installing on, right? Is this something that's going to be easy, or are we going to want to do some reinforcement, maybe, introduce things like Unistrut or anything like that? Like, let's prepare for that so there's no surprises. What's the content looking like? Is it something where we need to generate custom content? Is that being thought of? They'll just go through the holistic system and really help put your mind at ease that you're designing the right solution. And then the output of that is going to be a system design either for our pre-configured or our custom solution, and then your sales rep will be able to quote you what that cost would be for that solution. If you decide to proceed with that purchase, then there's a pre-installation checklist call. And so that's really valuable. You do that a couple days before you're going on site, and that makes sure everything is where it needs to be. Because I tell you, nothing will delay an install faster than not being ready for the install in the first place. And the more you can cover on the front end, the way easier your life is going to be on the back end when it comes to these installs. So the pre-installation checklist makes sure things like, hey, were the power drops put in with the right circuit breaker sizing, in the right locations? Was the structure reinforced properly? Is the room cleared out? Things, even little things you don't really think about, which is you're going to have to bring crates in to unpack them. Do you have accessibility to that? Do you have the right equipment? Do you have the right lifts? All of those little gotchas that can really delay a project if it's not thought of during the project. They'll cover on that pre-installation checklist call to make sure it's successful. And then finally, during the installation phase, they'll go on site to help guide the install. So these are guys that have done these installs hundreds of times at this point, and they really help kind of train up to say, hey, this is kind of the order we should go through. This is how we take things out. This is how we mount these on the wall. This is how you properly tile, right? These are the things to look out for. And then help train either the integrator or the end user on how to use it afterwards as well. So that's a very important service because we want to make sure that each direct view LED is looking as good as possible. And then I guess the actual lastly would be the post-installation support. Like I mentioned, our tech support is all based out here in the US. So if you do run into any issues, definitely give us a call and we're happy to help support.